Dun 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 dun.
Hey Ranch, what's up? Not much, you know, I mean, I've been, I started going out with Apple. Apple? Why Apple? Well, she's hot. You know, she's red. That's sunburn. Now who you call sunburn? You. I know you didn't just call me, a red apple just 'cause I'm a red apple. Oh, well, I did. What you gonna say next? Do you want to see my applesauce? You know, I really wouldn't mind that. Could I? Come on, guys. Can you cut it out? Are you sure? 'Cause I really did mean my applesauce. Oh, come on, Apple. Stop messing around. Great. Look at what you did. Well, did she not deserve it? I mean, do you even know what she was? An apple? Yeah, try sticking your tongue out and saying that. Oh, you're mean.